All right, today I have a Leica Q3 and I am going to put a glass protector on the screen right here. Now the screen, it is plastic and I'm already starting to see some scratches. So I have this tempered glass that I'm going to be put on it. It says Glass Tempered Premium Pro that I have right here. It says Taking It Tough right here to New Heights. All right, and I'm going to put this on here. I'm going to go ahead and open this up. It says Always Tough and Innovating. So I'm going to place this on here. I'm going to have to clean this screen. I'm actually going to go ahead and take this and try to get some of the dust that's off. Perhaps some of the dust that's perhaps gotten back here. I need to get back here and do that as well. Get some of the dust that's off. Close that. And I'm just going to go ahead and open up the container right here. It says the screen protector, anti-fingerprint, crystal clear. That's going to give me protection from the screen, protected from the scratches that may accumulate on here over time. Now, what I've noticed is, like with the Q3, because the screen comes out, it's more prone to scratches than, say, for instance, the original Q or the Q2. All right, so this comes off easily. Gonna go ahead and take that. Comes off so easily, right? So it came out, and inside is the package for applying the screen. Now this comes with two screens in here, so if you damage one, always have another one to go ahead and slap it on. So I have this. Here are the screens. It looks like they have a little tab in there. We'll read the instructions and go ahead and put that to the side. So in here it says Patch Insulation Cleaning Kit. That's what this is right here. And so there's two patch insulation cleaning kits for both. So I'm going to go ahead and open this up. But before I get into it, I'm going to read the instructions. Now it says right here, it says use alcohol wipes. Use alcohol wipes to clean the surface. And it says use the vacuum membrane to remove the dust. It says tear protective layer. Aim the film to screen and edge slowly. So you're going to edge it slowly to get it on. It says finger click the middle part softly. The membrane absorption to the screen automatically. So the finger click the middle part softly. The membrane absorption, is that supposed to be adsorption or absorption to the screen automatically? So what it's saying is it's supposed to, whatever it just said, I guess. So I'm going to go ahead and open this up. And I still have the package just in case I rip the instructions. Now, if you're opening this, I suggest go at the top. That way you can still read the instructions if you need to go back through. And I'm going to pull out what's inside. And here are some guide stickers if you need to right here. And that is the dust adsorber used to clear the dust on the screen. I'm going to use that. Here's the alcohol wipes right here. And what I'm going to do is, it says use the vacuum membrane. So which one is the vacuum membrane? I believe this is the vacuum membrane. So use the alcohol wipes clean. Okay, so I'm going to do that. But first, I'm going to use this to blow off the dust. See if I can get some dust blowing off of it. And it says alcohol wipes clean. So I'm going to go ahead and take this and definitely is alcohol. And I'm going to take the alcohol wipe. Go along the screen right here to wipe it clean. Wipe it down, boozy. And at the top right here, I'm just going to go ahead and clean the rest of it that's up here while I'm at it. Get that. Clean that pretty well. Probably clean behind the screen as well. I'm just doing a whole wipe it down on the Q3. Just get the screen. All right, so I have this wiped down pretty well. I'm just gonna take this cloth right here, just go over that, kind of buffer it out. Looks pretty clean. And then there is a dust absorber used to clear the dust off the screen. So I'm going to take this dust absorber, and any specks, you can see some specks of dust. I'm going to go ahead and use the adsorber. It's pretty cool. Then I'm going to just go ahead and pull that screen. And what's good about this is you can pull this screen out and you can get it at various different angles, various different angles. It's kind of redundant, right? Just going to go ahead and wipe it down. There's like some specks of dust. Get the blower. A little extra. So the screen is out. Sun's out. Screen's out. Use the dust absorber. See if I can get some of these little specks of dust out the way. All right. So I have all of this. Use the vacuum membrane. Now it's time to tear. Open up the protective layer. Aim the film screen and edge slowly. So what I'm going to do with this, I'm going to set this down flat. And then I'm going to aim this carefully. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this and open it up. And I'm going to be careful to not touch the screen because I don't want fingerprints on the inside, because I won't be able to wipe the fingerprints down on the inside. So right here it says, if you can read that, it says this is the back. This sticker helps remove the mask from the screen guard. Please peel off the mask with this sticker. So I'm going to use this to peel off the sticker. And inside there are some, where did the thing go? You had the adsorber, and then you also had these guide stickers. You can use the guide stickers if you'd like to. And these basically, you can place these on here and pretty much use it to guide. So I can take these off. Place it on. So these are guide stickers. You can place them on different parts of the side that is not going to be adhering to the tempered glass. So I have this, I have the guide stickers, and then I'm going to go ahead and take this and peel off the sticky side. You see that? Peel this off. So this is the sticky side right here. Looks like I have some dust that just blew on there. You want to make sure that this is thoroughly cleaned, because you won't be able to remove the fingerprints if they get on there after you've put on the tempered glass. So I'm going to go ahead and wipe this down just one more time. So once I've done that, wipe it down. Make sure that it's clean, dust-free. And I'm going to go ahead and place this down right here. Using the stickers right here, the guide stickers. And being very careful. Going to line this up. Really careful. Because you want, once it sticks, it's there, and if you don't do it right, you'll have to put a new one on. So I'm lining it up ever so carefully. Ever so carefully. Line it up. You can see that it's adhering on all sides. Beautifully. No air bubbles. So hope not. And then once it's adhered to it, it's evenly on, I'm going to take the sticker guides and I'm going to easily peel those off and peel that side off. And there may be some bubbles on the side of it, or it looks like some bubbles, but those should go away. Now you have a protected screen to prevent from scratches from happening to your Leica Q3. And that's how you apply a protective screen onto your Leica Q3 to prevent it from getting scratches. And I'll turn it on so you can see what it looks like. It notoriously takes a longer time to get on. Yeah, so there you have it. Look at that. Beautiful. See that? Nicely. And that's how you put the protective screen on. Now it is protected from scratches. I can go about the day. I hope this has been helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.